Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Zora eggs in Majora's Mask. Only wait. Begin at Zora Hall and check the platform above the pool for the first egg immediately, then move clockwise to the 4 marked locations while avoiding enemies and using precise jumps, dive when needed, and save at nearby owl statues often. Maintain steady movement, watch timers for day cycles, and recover health at tents to prevent costly restarts. Start by circling Zora Hall slowly to note all ledges and platforms where eggs spawn. Time your dives and jumps to match the day cycle, then use controlled sprints to avoid enemies that knock you into water. Prioritize the highest platform, then work outward to waterfall ledges and bridge undersides, saving at owl statues between collections so you can retry specific spots. Stay calm and precise to avoid wasting cycles. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us make more focused guides. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a fun way to amp up your gaming area and cue ambient tracks while you farm eggs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Move with intent by using sprint jumps and well-timed dives to reach narrow ledges or pool centers that hold eggs, and equip items like Deku Nuts to stagger aggressive enemies quickly. Keep a shield to block pushbacks, and always save at the nearest owl statue after collecting each egg to secure progress across day cycles. Practicing the routes once or twice makes the sequence smooth and reliable for a single successful run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.